I went on with number 2 and I forgot to hit record. Darn it. So from 1, I had date picker to allow the user to choose a date, and text that said date of interview. And then I pulled out a label with text property name and a text box named name text, a label named display QLBL, and a button named record button, and then text that said answer text, and then a button named next QBTN with text property next question. I got that far, and you can see it here. I did the display QLBL. I did a record button, and it says record answer, and there's the text box. And then I have a next question, and I called it next QBTN, and there's the next question. I'm going to pull in another horizontal arrangement because I think they want something new now. A list view. And they want height property 33%. There we go. And now a button named Get DB. Oh, I'll get a button. There's so many things. Okay. Horizontal arrangement again. Go up and grab a button and stick it in there. And this button is supposed to be called Get. Tired of trying to remember it. It's Friday. I don't remember anymore. And the other thing they want is with text property. Get DB list. And a button named reset button. Lord. A button. A button. Named reset button. And what's it supposed to say? And see, I'm cheating, but that's okay. You do it if it works for you. It's easier for me when I'm flipping back and forth. Okay, actually, I can put this button up inside of this one. Oh, Lord, that didn't work. Maybe it did. I wanted them side by side, like right there. Okay, we'll see what they do when I see the instructions. A notifier to display a pop-up window to the user. So a notifier. And a label named tester label. That how it's supposed to be? Tester label. There we go. Maybe. Okay, well, I got a bunch of stuff here. So on this one, computer science notebook, make a list of new components such as tiny database, date picker, speech recognizer, briefly describe what they do, use the question icon next to each component if necessary. So you could take this whole list and make a Word document. There we go. Wow. Word's a little slow. Word's a lot slow. Interview database. List of components. Shows the date data was entered. Allows someone to enter their name. Displays name that was input. You can go through and do each one of those steps. That would be very helpful. So, back to MIT App Inventor. Okay, so we did that in the computer science notebook. And now we're on to section 4, shows questions. Now we're going to actually use some lists. One of your new components, the list view, stores a list of data. Recall that App Inventor variables have different data types such as text, numeric, Boolean. We're going to use text because we're going to ask them questions. Okay, we will start this next video later, but now this is video part 2, and we're going to have at least another video 3 and 4 probably. Okay.